Your bathroom tiles were white once, bright, clean, sparkling white. And somewhere between then and now, through hundreds of showers, through weekly cleaning, through every product you have tried, they became something else. Dull, gray grouted, slightly yellowed at the edges. What if one ingredient, costing almost nothing, applied correctly in under 10 minutes, could take them back to exactly what they looked like the day they were laid? Today, we prove it is possible. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because the secret to sparkling tiles has been sitting in your medicine cabinet this entire time, and nobody thought to tell you. The tile story everyone lives. Let me describe something that happens so gradually in every bathroom that most people stop noticing it is happening at all. It begins with grout. Fresh grout is bright white or pale gray, clean and defined, giving the tiled surface a sharp, finished appearance that makes a bathroom look genuinely beautiful. Then, over weeks and months of daily shower steam, soap residue, hard water deposits, and the microscopic organic matter that accumulates wherever moisture is consistently present, the grout begins to change. It darkens, it yellows. In worst cases, it blackens entirely as mold establishes in its porous structure. Why hydrogen peroxide works where everything else cannot. Hydrogen peroxide, the same compound available in any pharmacy at 3% concentration for a few dollars, is an oxidizing agent. This means it works through a fundamentally different mechanism than the surfactant-based cleaners that make up the majority of bathroom cleaning products. Surfactants lift surface dirt by reducing its adhesion to the surface. Hydrogen peroxide chemically breaks down the compounds responsible for discoloration through oxidation, the same process that removes color from hair, whitens teeth, and bleaches fabric. The method. Exactly how to apply it. Pour 3% hydrogen peroxide directly into a spray bottle. It's available at any pharmacy, inexpensively and without any special requirements. No dilution necessary at this concentration. Spray it generously across every grout line and tile surface in the treatment area. Saturate the grout lines specifically. The porous structure requires sufficient volume to penetrate rather than simply coat the surface layer. Leave it. This is the step that requires patience and produces the result. Do not scrub immediately. Do not wipe. Leave the hydrogen peroxide in contact with the surface for a minimum of 10 minutes, or longer for heavily discolored grout, up to 30 minutes for grout that has been darkening for a year or more. During this contact time, the oxidation reaction is working continuously through the depth of the grout, breaking down discoloration compounds that no surface scrubbing could have reached. After the contact period, scrub the grout lines with a stiff grout brush or an old toothbrush. The loosened compounds come away easily because you are not fighting the stain. You are simply removing what the hydrogen peroxide has already broken down. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and step back. The grout lines that emerged from this treatment will be noticeably lighter, often dramatically so on the first application, and progressively lighter with repeated weekly treatments over a month. For an enhanced treatment that works even faster on stubborn discoloration, mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly onto grout lines, pressing it into the surface firmly. Leave for 30 minutes. The sparkling truth. Your tiles have not aged beyond recovery. They have not been permanently stained or structurally damaged. They have been covered progressively, invisibly, over months of daily bathroom use, by compounds that hydrogen peroxide is specifically and effectively designed to remove. 10 minutes. A spray bottle, a few dollars worth of pharmacy hydrogen peroxide, and a bathroom that looks, for the first time in a long time, like the one you fell in love with when you first saw those tiles laid clean and bright and full of potential. That bathroom still exists. It was just waiting for you to rediscover exactly how to bring it back. If this made you want to go straight to your bathroom with a spray bottle, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people whose tiles deserve this. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so cleaning secrets like this always find you first. Share it with someone whose grout has been winning the battle for too long. Leave us a comment telling us how this went for you. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Tell it free, see you in the next one.